Ooh, you know, this viewpoint, it looks like we're speeding. Oh! But we're not.
Not even going 20
No.
miles per hour.
We're far
I
from
feel like a
speeding.
snail. Can I like see what it feels like to have 40?
Not right now because you're heading up to a curb.
Well, no, not right now. But next turn, like right now. Maybe not right now because I'm turning onto the.
Oh, where are you gonna go?
I'm gonna go up to the next thing.
You want to go down the drive-through again?
Yeah, this one. Because
This one?
Yeah, because. Ooh, it's like a U-turn. That was fun.
Okay.
I
Go.
like that. Okay, ready?
Sure.
Yeah. Wait, where does it say 1 miles per hour? It's not going up higher. Oh, look at that. Oh, look at that. That was fun. This is so much fun. That wasn't even 40. I just felt like I was gonna come to the end of this really fast.
I thought you were too, so it's quite alright. So go left, okay?
Go left. Okay, I'll go left.
It's just kind of tricky with these big old bumps.
Ready? Ready? Oh! Oh gosh, I feel like I'm on your brakes. I don't like speeding.
Good, good.